Hi, today I'm going to show you a few cool things that I've done in PyMT, which is a multi-touch framework for Python. As you probably know, Python is a very simple programming language to get into. And I'm just going to start off with the default, yay, we're playing with multi-touch demo. So here we have a bunch of photos splayed out on a table, and we can zoom in on the photos, and in this example we can also move photos, and we can perform multiple touches, and we can zoom in on photos just by themselves, or zoom the whole plane. Now the multi-touch device I'm using for this is actually my MacBook Pro, which is supported by default by PyMT, and you'll also find that Windows 7 touch events are supported, and TUIO is also supported if you're into the multi-touch sort of group and all that sort of stuff. Cool, so you'll probably be interested in exactly how much code was needed to create that. So this is it, and I'm just going to scroll in on that here. Now, as you can see, that's not very large, and you'll be able to grab that code just by clicking on comments. Sorry, not the comments, the sidebar. Now, the next little demo is sort of borrowed from the standard set of PyMT demos and refactored and remade by me. And this is a little show-off demo, so it's just fancy and looks cool. So what we have here is a bunch of particles that move around when I touch. So we can see, again, we've got full multi-touch, and on my little touchpad I can create about 10 events. I think I've managed to create about 15 touch events, which is really impressive. I mean, I'm really impressed by the touch capabilities of my little MacBook Pro. So, that's that one. Now, the next one I'm going to show you is actually something I made for a party. I made it with a friend of mine, Gareth. And what it does is we wanted a sort of interactive music visualization for my 21st. So what we did was we set up a projector, and we set up 2 infrared cameras and a bunch of infrared lights, and that gave us a multi-touch wall. It was about 2 or 3 touches, and you needed to use your whole hand, but it was still quite cool. So I'm just going to chuck that up. So here we have a standard sort of visualization. Which is multi-touch. And I didn't have to do much to get this multi-touch, because Python is fantastic. Now that's not all. We can also do this. So this is another visualization. And these next 2 visualizations aren't actually interactive. So, that's that. Thank you very much.